Hey, guys! Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive your archived emails in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the Gmail application, you have to go to Archive Chats by clicking on these three bars in the top left corner. From there, select the All Mails option below the draft. Now, after coming here, you can see all of the archived emails here. All the emails that don't have the inbox tag below them are the archived emails. To unarchive those archived emails, just simply select the email that you want to unarchive. After selecting the emails that are archived and that you want to unarchive, click on these three dots in the top right corner. From there, you'll get the option to move to inbox or change label. You just simply have to select any of those options, and then select where you want to move this archived email. Choose any of the options that you want to select and click OK. After doing this, your archived email will successfully be unarchived. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.